This is the 2023 Leisure Travel Wonder. We're going to give you a tour of the outside first and then the inside. And then I'll give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, and a build quality rating. Let's go. The Leisure Travel Wonder has a Ford 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 that puts out 310 horsepower. Has these large mirrors. And then as we go around the side here, past the entrance door, we start looking.
Hey John, that awning's going in, so I just want to capture it real quick as it goes in, so people can see the length of the awning and the LEDs underneath.
Yes.
Okay John, now back to our regularly scheduled program.
Yes. Let's check out the storage. Oh, that one seems to be stiff.
I think I heard my knees crack on that one, John.
I think so. So that's one thing to be concerned about, because that means the storage is pretty low. So you'll have to get down pretty low to get here. There are your 2 batteries.
Lithium batteries, John.
I know,
volts.
Isn't that wonderful? And your inverter. 110 outlet. Your Onan 4000 generator. Let's go around back.
Hey John, before we go around back, I just want to let people see what the side of this looks like. It's pretty sleek. I really like the look.
It is. Above us, you have your rear view camera. Here's your hitch, and we'll put a link for the specs in the description below. More storage. And
what is that, John?
I believe this is a table. That's a nice thing to add to your leisure travel. This is your wet bag, your outdoor shower, your intake for fresh city water, cable TV hookups, your pump, and it has a black tank flush. And it comes with this handy spray.
You see, I like that. You know, that is a kind of shower that you could actually use, right?
That
Most of them
true.
come with a different type of nozzle that really doesn't push out any water.
That is an outdoor shower.
Yes, it is.
There's your propane tank, 13.2 gallons. 30 amp power. And more storage.
And John, to the right of that is where you can stow your sewer hose.
Ah, yes, that's convenient, isn't it?
And John, I like the fact that it's behind the cover, so it's not just sticking out there.
It is. That is nice.
And John, is that a Truma AquaGo right there?
It is. Now, let's check out the front. Oh, this is something I do like. Your fuel. And you don't have to leave the door open while fueling.
That's even better. Now, can you close it, or do you have to open the door again? Yes, you do.
Have to open the door again. Let's take a look at the tire size. Now, these are hand goods on this one, and they are 16.
John, I just want to get a picture of this front of it. This is really a very pretty van. Hey, John, before we go around and take a look at the inside, let me give you a few of the specs on this.
Okay, let's do this.
The fresh water capacity is 33.5 gallons. The gray tank holds 26.4 gallons. And the black tank holds 35 gallons.
Hey, thanks for the info. Let's go see the inside. And nice handle here. Hold on to that. This is built on the Ford Transit chassis. This setup in the dash has all your hands-free buttons here for your phone, for your menus on the dash. This also has your a large touch screen here in the middle, and your radio controls. has USB and a 12 volt right here above the cup holders. On top of the dash, we also have USB and 12 volt in these nice little cubbies for you to charge your gear. Now, above my head, we have several storage bays across the front. And these seats are quite comfortable. These are not Ford standard seats.
Oh, that's good to know, John.
Yeah, these are leisure travel seats. This is nice. They totally reupholstered these, and they are very comfortable.
So, John, why don't you come back and join me in the dining and living area?
I think I will. Here we are. A nice adjustable table.
Sit down, make yourself comfortable.
This is nice.
It feels good?
I do like this. It's very comfortable, and I see the table expands once you sit down, and you can have a nice meal on a large table for a van.
I also like the fact that it swivels.
Yes, it does.
This folds into a bed. You can put the table down, lay both these cushions out, and you have a bed.
That is good to know.
It's an extra sleeping area.
That is nice. I like the fact that this does fold into a bed.
And I like the fact that you can move it to the side, like you just did, giving you more room.
Yes. And you can take it completely out if you want to use the entire space.
That's pretty cool. Now, John, right above you, we have some additional shelving.
Yes, right here we have a small shelf right under these LED light strips, and the same type of shelf on the opposite side. This is your total house control. It tells you all your levels, and it controls all the lights. It does your generator start. It does everything right from this panel. Also, if you look down, under the seat, there's also some additional storage.
All right, John, why don't you take us into the kitchen?
Right, let's check out the sink. The sink this is a very deep sink. It's very deep. It's a single round sink. Next to that is a 2-burner Dometic LP gas stove. It has more counter space than I would expect in a van. Mm-hmm. Now, below that, below the stove, are 3 drawers.
That's nicely organized there, John.
And they put the remotes in with nice fork spoons. This is pretty nice. Soft close drawers.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, I got a little excited there, John, but I love the space in that drawer.
I think also that you like the finish because this is finished.
I'm tired of seeing plywood in RVs for the drawers.
I know you are.
Especially with all the money we pay.
Definitely. And finally, the large drawer at the bottom here. And we have 2 hooks for hanging your towels, your small kitchen towels. Under the sink, oh wow.
Well, that's pretty cool, John.
I think that's a nice touch.
Now, there isn't much room under here for anything else because we have the Air Excel underneath here, but I think the fact that they attached a trash can to the door is a pretty good idea.
It is.
Mm-hmm. Now, John, did you notice all of these right here? I believe these are interchangeable and you can put different types of items on those hooks.
That is a great idea. Look at that. They move, they unhook.
Mm-hmm. And then above the sink, you have the TV. Now, if anyone has seen our video on the Unity, you know how I feel about the TV over the sink. I think it's a bit weird. And, you know, I would worry about splatter
understood.
onto the TV. But put down in the comments below what you think about it.
We have a small shelf here. Next to that, we have a larger cabinet.
That's a good amount of space. And I'm going to mention I really like the lighting underneath the cabinets.
And a smaller cabinet here with your television equipment also in here.
Well, that's great, John. Why don't we switch places and then we can look at the rest of the coach.
Why not? And while we're doing that, Sherry, folks, put down in the comments what you like and dislike about the Leisure Travel Wonder. And if you like the content, subscribe. Continuing the kitchen, we have a microwave. Looks like it is convection. We have a Dometic refrigerator that you'll have to see when you come this way.
Now, John, does that open on both sides, though?
You know what? You may be right. Oh my gosh, how did you know?
I know things, John.
That's incredible, Sherry.
Well, don't forget, John, I did do a tour of the Unity.
Oh, you did. See,
yeah.
you're cheating. You're cheating now.
This one?
Well, actually, when I did the tour of the Unity, John, I didn't know that they opened on both sides. Somebody in the comments let me know.
There you go. As you come back near the fridge, across from it, we have another small cabinet. Oh!
This is your pantry, John.
This is your pantry.
Was that a nice surprise?
This was a very nice surprise. See, you have an advantage because you did this, and you did this by yourself. I wasn't there.
Okay, John, what do we have next? Well, this one is a little bit different than the Unity was.
Here we have this nice large door.
Okay, John, one thing I really like about this door, I don't know why, but I just think it's so, when I see things that are different, I don't know, folks, if you can see this, but this door is curved. I really like that. It's just different. And I think it gives you much more room when you're inside if you have a curved door rather than a straight door.
Yes.
So, John, I'm going to turn around here and just show everyone the bathroom. We both can't fit.
No.
It's not a wet bath. Here we have your mirror, a nice window. We go down, and here you see these shelves again where you can move things around. Here's your sink, and let me lift off the cover for you so you can see inside. Let's check out the storage down below. You have a little bit of space, but there are some wires down here. And here you have a towel rack. Up here you have some additional storage. Here are your controls for your water pump, your lights, and your fan. And some more shelving as we go down. And then here is your toilet. And above your toilet there is one additional cabinet here. Okay, let's go to the other side, John. On the left of me here, I see there's another door, so I'm going to turn around, and I'm going to open up this door, and look, you have a separate shower in this one. John, you want to hop in the shower?
Sure.
Because that's what you do.
That's what I do.
How comfortable is that shower?
It's doable. It's a van, so it's small.
John, I'm gonna say this is big.
For a van, this is
For a
big.
van, it's not a wet bath. You have a full separate shower. I think, John, that is pretty cool.
It is.
Okay, come on out, John. Let's close that door and let's head to the bedroom area.
Yes.
Okay, so as we go to the bedroom...
This is a Murphy bed.
Is it?
Yes, here is your button for bringing this whole wall down.
Well, that's right. Well, they don't want you to do it. They
No.
want you to do it, so we can't bring it down and show it to you, but that's pretty neat. So sit down, John. How comfortable is it?
Oh, this is quite nice.
Is it?
It is comfortable, and look, it's like an L-shaped sofa. It's nice.
All right, John, to the right of me, I have some cabinetry here.
You'll have to come in to get that.
Here is your wardrobe. John, I'm really amazed at how much storage space that you have in this unit. That's pretty cool.
It is.
Yes, it is. And then look at the windows. Now, John, you want to open up those cabinets for us?
Sure.
Once again, I love that LED lighting.
Nice.
Then you have some more here. And then, of course, you have the two windows.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, John, I just noticed this. Look at this window. That is incredible.
It is.
You don't see that very often. And John, there's another cabinet there. You want to open that up?
Sure.
So that we can take a look and see what it's like?
Very deep.
Okay, John. Well, people are... Oh, one more thing. I skipped the TV. Oh my, how could I do that? That's some of people's favorite feature. So I am sitting on the sofa here, and I'm looking at the TV, and it's just very well placed. And there's a sound bar and another cabinet. Well, John, I have really enjoyed looking at this.
Yes, it's been very nice.
Okay, we're in the Wonder RL, and we want to see the rear bed. Very, very easy to do. We're just going to move some cushions first. These cushions all slide underneath the bed once we bring the bed down, so I'm just going to move them out of the way first, just to show you how simple it is. And it is very simple. And by the way, we have built-in footrests here as well, which is very cool. So for lounging, that's actually very nice. So to bring the bed down, this is the main base. There's a little release button here. And you will see that it comes right down like that, and I have a full, actually just bigger than a double, so we're 58, 74. Lay on the bed like this.
Oh, you read my mind. I was going to ask you to do
like
that.
This. Look at this. I'm 6'1", am I not? You better believe it. 6'2", actually, with my shoes, maybe 6'3".
And you fit comfortably.
And if somebody is sleeping here, look at this. You can just simply slide out this way. See, my shoes are a little dirty. Look at that.
You know, I have to say, I'm impressed with leisure travel because a lot of Class C's this size, you're climbing over each other or you're falling down the steps in order to get out of bed.
And the other great thing about our park, we always have a dry bathroom, not a wet bathroom. You sit on the toilet to shower, right? So we have a separate shower, separate toilet.
You guys did a really great job with this. And I just want to thank you. I didn't get a chance to thank you for coming in here and showing this to us.
No problem,
I really
anytime.
appreciate it. Yeah, that's great. Thank you. To correct myself on this one, John, I keep calling it a van, but this is a Class C. I know it's leisure travel vans, but this is categorized as a Class C RV. So, John, what is your pet peeve on this one?
This was a hard one. I mean, the only pet peeve I have really is I'm not a fan of the Murphy beds. You have to convert your sofa and your bed every day if you want. You know, I like having a permanently fixed bed.
So I have two favorite features. Sorry,
What?
John. So my favorite feature is going to be your pet peeve, and that is, you know, a lot of times when you have a Murphy bed, you don't have that comfortable sofa with it.
That's true.
I really do like the way that they did the sofa and the Murphy bed. And then my second favorite feature is the fact that they have actually finished the cabinet drawers.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah, of course. Okay, well, John, we went through, we looked at everything, and now it's time for our build quality rating.
I tried to tear this thing apart.
I know, I did too, but we just couldn't find it, could we, John?
No.
All right, so for this unit at the 2022 Hershey RV Show, we are giving it a 10 out of 10.
Yes, we are.
That's it for this one. We're on to the next one. Check out some more Hershey RV videos right there.